Hi guys. Okay, so we are going to try this. It's kind of a math competition, so my mind is already ramped up. So when n dice are rolled, the non-zero probability of obtaining a sum of 2025 is the same as the probability of obtaining a sum of s. As the number n varies, what is the smallest possible value of s? Okay. So we know, if I could please draw. Why can't I draw? What the heck? Can I draw if I like? What? Why can't I draw? If I do this. Yeah, there we go. Why can't I use this? Is it like... What the heck? That's so weird. Okay, n is a positive integers. When n dice are rolled, the non-zero probability of obtaining the sum of 25 is the same as the probability of obtaining the sum of s. So the number of n varies was the smallest possible value of n, of s, of s. So, if we're rolling 2 die, when n dice are rolled, I'm assuming it's 6-sided die, 5, 6, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, and 6. Here we don't count zeros. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have a 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 12. So we see these diagonal bands of numbers that are here. And we notice that they vary in length. So if you were to imagine a three-dimensional one, it'd be a cube. In the corner there'd be one, and there'd be strips throughout. And then eventually be here, and then those have the same probability. 2 has the same probability as 7. Sorry, 12. 7 is the highest probability. So we need to find where the absolute maximum you can get is 2025. So then, if that's the maximum, like 12 here, the minimum is 2 have the same probability. Okay. So 2025 mod 6 is equal to, hello, 2025 is equal to 1800 plus 180 is this with the result plus 42. So this is 300, this is 30 plus 7. This is all times 6. So, and then we took plus 3. So 6 times 337 plus 3. Huh. Okay. So this means that we need to roll 338 die, and then get 6 on 337 plus 3 or different combinations of that. So if we roll 338 die, then the one that will correspond with 6 is, well, 228 is the max. 228 is the max, because that's plus 3 to 40. So that means and then we go to 2027, 6, 5. This is where we're at. The minimum you can get is 338. 338. 338 is the minimum. Then we go 339, 10, 40, 39, 340, 341, I think should be our answer. I believe. Let me check. It is 341. Probability is greater than 0. We have n is between 338 and 225. The event of getting a sum of k and n throws is bijectively mapped to the event of getting a sum of 7n minus k by mapping. Yeah. Yeah, because 1 is mapped to 6. Yeah, okay, sure. Well, they did it some way, and I also did it some way, and we got the same answer. So that means I was correct. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow, probably. Have a good day. Be productive. Do what you would not regret doing in the future. Goodbye.